spent hours fighting with your printer and thought, there's got to be an easier way? Well, UAE. The answer is finally here. At GreenWave, we make printing easy, smooth, and smart, whether you're looking to buy, rent, or service printers.
When your business needs printing solutions, GreenWave Information Technology delivers everything you need. Looking for a new printer system? We offer top brands at competitive prices. Need expert repairs? Our certified technicians get you back up and running fast.
At GreenWave IT Network Services, our expert team delivers powerful digital marketing campaigns combined with strategic search engine optimization (SEO) to boost your ranking and targeted search engine marketing (SEM).
Utilizing social media and your own website, you can significantly boost your sales. Now is your chance. Ready to know how? Your solution is here at GreenWave Information Technology Network Services. In the area of digital marketing, many businesses have been enhanced by an IT service company, which is GreenWave.
One call covers all your office tech needs. Quality products, reliable service, GreenWave Information Technology.
We enhance your online engagement through comprehensive social media optimization and marketing, while our website design and development team creates stunning custom designs, including fully functional e-commerce websites and responsive web design.
Let's accelerate your seamless digitalization starting right here. Call us today at 05035 36824. GreenWave, your seamless digital partner.